Hi, my name is Bill Shander. I'm an information designer and I love to tell stories. And I'm really excited to join you for the Presentation Design Conference on March 6th to 8th. I'll be talking about where to start, which is distilling a story out of your content. And so let me demonstrate briefly a little bit. So here's a story. Once upon a time, there was a business meeting. The people gathered in a glass-walled conference room, mostly for the free donuts, but they were nervous because there was a mean man there everyone called the CFO. And he was freaking out because sales were down and he wanted to be briefed, which means he wanted to know who to yell at. But along came the amazing intern Judy, who saved the day by... Okay, that sounds like a story, but not exactly what I'll be talking about. Let me try that again. I'm going to tell you a story about quarterly sales figures for a meeting next week with the CFO and the SVP of sales. The goal of the meeting is to... Oh wait, I think I just fell asleep a little bit even just thinking about that story. Let me try one more time. Seriously, this is going to be a good one. Here we go. Last quarter sales were down 22%. Ta-da! That's not really a story, although that might be enough for some presentations. This story needs a little bit more than that, so let's try again. Sales were down last quarter. On October 1st, we sold 462 widgets. On October 2nd, it was 521. October 3rd, 226. October 4th, it was... Uh-oh, I think I might be falling asleep again. All right, one last time. Sales were down last quarter. I wore blue socks all of December. There's banana bread in the cafeteria today. My cousin's niece's best friend's first grade teacher lives in Chattanooga. I think I'm just confused by that story. This is what I want to help fix. No more throwing random facts at people. No more telling them everything you know. No more will people fall asleep or walk away dazed and confused from your presentations. I'm going to talk about how to distill the heart of the story for your presentations so they don't suck, because presentations that aren't stories do suck. That is. So I'm going to teach you why stories are so important, really simple techniques to find and then construct a story, how to identify what is not a story, and a few other key tidbits to make your presentations really sing. And you're going to remember all of it because I'll be presenting it to you in the form of, wait for it, a story. I can't wait to see you on March 6th at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Be there.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.